morning, YouTube. Thanks for tuning in and welcome to another vlog. This is the Bikerguy, and we are in Chennai. Let's get the day started. Okay, so you might ask why Chennai. Let me explain this to you from the basic. So, in this world, there are two kinds of races. One that race on the streets, and they are called the squids, and the other one that race on the racetrack with full safety gear, controlled environment, and are called track races. So to be a track racer in India, you have to get certification from FMSCI, and to get that certification, to get that license, you have to attend an academy in India by racing schools like RSER, Atomic Motorsports, TVS Racing Academy, and there are quite a few more. So yeah, today I'm here to attend TVS Racing Academy. It's a one-day program where we will be trained as of how to maintain track discipline and how to race on the track. And after that, if we satisfy the trainers, then we get a racing certificate, through which we can apply for the racing license. So these are the bikes we'll be riding. This, as you can see, the lights have been covered. This bike has got a free flow exhaust. The air filters has been changed. The fenders has been removed. These bikes have got a slipper clutch and knuckle guards. They have started hitting on the bikes and it is too loud. So we just got done with the first session of the day, which was a classroom session. This is Abhishek. Hey. And so the first session was a classroom session where we were told about the flags that are used because on the track, because you cannot actually speak to the rider. So we were told everything about the flags, which flag means what. Okay, we have to by heart all of this. And we were given these tags. You can't see it. I have a band under my skin, which allots me to an instructor. Each instructor takes care of 5 riders, and they'll guide us through the track, and we'll have 3 different sessions on the track. So that's all for now. I'll go ride. So you have to tuck in like this, close to the tank, long, upright. Right? This is only for the straight. second session is done after the class. Second session was we went onto the track and the leader used to guide us, and we actually saw where are the bumps and everything on the track, and slowly and gradually we increased our speed and tried to corner. So that was the 6 laps or 7 laps the second round. There we got to know about the track. Then we came in, and then we had a class session where we were told about body positioning, how to hold the handlebars, where to keep the legs, and how to sit on the bike. So in the second, then on the third session, we were concentrating more on the body position, and oh my god, you can hear the guys are like partying now. So we were concentrating more on the body position, and we increased the speed more as we were familiar to the track now. So we increased the speed, and the trainers were keeping an eye on us as in are we taking the racing line properly or not. So yeah, second and third sessions are over. Now we have starting and braking, where we will be taught how to start and brake at the same time, and then we'll have a tire. So yeah, it's good. It's been great till now. Learned a lot, but then getting onto this thing and coming out of this thing is a big job. We had a lunch. TVS provided us with lunch and breakfast. It was a very good experience. And yeah, I'll meet you guys after the free run.